Hey! In front of me is Xiaomi 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down, select Apps over here. Go into Permissions and Permissions one more time. Over here, select one of your phone's features like Location and pick one of your apps, like Maps. Then pick one of the options by tapping on the chosen one. Allow all the time, allow only when using the app, as over time, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that Maps gained access to this device location. But you can also just tap on one of your apps, select See all Maps permissions over here, and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!